Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ivandunde. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Today I want to share with you my skincare self-care routine that I do maybe twice a month. I know I should try this as much as possible, maybe every week. I've been slacking and it's time to remedy that. Yeah, let's get started. So we are going to start off with steaming our face, and then after steaming our face we are going to mask. And yeah, so we are going to mask with, let me show you. So first off, we have our Aztec clay. We have this Indian healing clay mask. It's for the deep pore cleansing. The apple cider vinegar with the mother, and we are going to mix these two to make our mask. And for steaming we are going to use our steamer. It has this measuring cup. We will measure up to 50 ml. That's what they recommend. Then we are going to place this, get in. This is also very good for your natural hair. So we have this here. Oh, and I can see steam is already starting to come up, so we will put a hold on to that and steam our face. I find that when you're doing this yourself, it relaxes you. It's good, it's therapy. So you are going to take your mirror and this. So onto this we will mix this. So this is how it's looking. I am just going to take cotton wool, a bit dirty, and we are going to apply with this Real Techniques brush. It shouldn't be too thick and it shouldn't be too thin, because you are going to make a huge mess. So now we can read a book, watch a movie, we can go online and do whatever we want to do until we feel it's ready to take it off. So where's my book? So I'm currently reading this, things I will teach my daughter. Yeah, let's read. So yeah, this is how we are looking. I want to go wash it off now. As you can see, I don't want it to completely dry. As you can see, it's already starting to crack up. So we are going to wash this off and I will be back. Also, I feel, you know, like the pores have been shrunk. So I'm back after washing my face. I like to take rose water and going in again. We'll wait for that to dry. Now that it's completely dry, I am going to take the Eva Natural Vitamin C Serum. I got this off of Amazon. If you watched my previous videos, you've probably seen me use this. So I like this because it has this, and I'm actually running out of it, but not to worry, I have ordered another one from Amazon. If you'd like to see a video of how I shop and ship from Amazon, let me know down below. We are just giving it time, a little bit of time to get absorbed into the skin. So the next thing I'm going to go with is the AHA from acne.org. You've seen me talk about this severally in my previous videos. So this. So we've given that about 5 minutes. The next one that I'm going to use is this Olay, and as you can see, this I got a while back when I traveled to China. I'm not so sure if they're being sold here in Kenya, but I think you can get it from Amazon or from the Olay's website. So we wait for this to be absorbed. I got this farmstay from my sister. For one time she traveled to Korea, and you know Koreans are the best in skincare. They have the best products for skincare. So she got me this. It says it has around 8 types of vitamins. I try to use this sparingly because I don't know if it ends where I'm going to get another one from. I only use it when I want to feel extra. I got this e.l.f. eye cream, illuminating eye cream from Amazon, and a little of this goes a long way. Yeah, wait for it to sit a bit before the final and last step, which is a sheet mask. This is the sheet mask I am going to use. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye and take care of yourselves. Peace.